Hello everybody, welcome back to the Vintage Dial Restoration Project. I'm going to try and attempt to do this thing myself. Here are the things that I'm going to use to try and restore this dial back to her original self. I have here Goop hand cleaner. From what I saw on the search of the internet, you can use this to kind of give her a first time around cleaning anyway. And then after that's done, I can go on and use a Dawn Gentle Clean on her. And then I also have brushes to reapply makeup with. I have Gorilla Gel Glue for whatever I decide to do about her hair, whether that's buying a little wig for a doll or whatever I may need to do to put on some other type of hair piece. I also have oil pastel colors here for the makeup and lipstick, and also have a high gloss DuraClean varnish to seal in the color of whatever I do with her lips. I also have some nail polish here for her fingernails, and toothbrush to kind of get a clean and hard to reach places. And then I have some of these sponges here to wipe her down when I use the Goop hand cleaner. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Come on back and see how I make out with this refurbishment. Thank you. Bye.